was thinking about the love and all the things we had. We're up, we're down.
Hello guys, kumusta na kayo dyan? Nandito ako ngayon sa bahay at tayo ay magawa ng watermelon juice. Hindi pala watermelon juice. Gawa pala tayo ng watermelon shake. Kasi mainit dito sa bahay ngayon. And then, nautosan tayo na magawa ng watermelon shake. Kasi marami tayong watermelon, ano. At sayang naman pag itapon natin kasi na-overripe na talaga siya. Ito lang guys. Simple lang. Nilagyan ko lang ng ice. Nilagyan ko ng kunting asukal. And then, water. Kunting asukal lang guys kasi itong watermelon medyo matamis na siya, no? Simple lang talaga siya guys. Okay? Thank you for watching guys. And don't forget to subscribe. Please like and share.
Never giving up. A girl is on the way, ain't find me. And we'll do the same, boy, you trust me. Now you love me as a boss.